I'm gonna show you one of my favorite all-time looks. It's a classic pony, just pulled back, super chic, super easy. So what I first did is I applied this True Botanicals Shine and Protect hair cream oil on the ends to protect from the heat. And I'm just gonna do a quick little, I'm just gonna add a little bit more texture. So it's super fun and exciting. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna ask Charlize to hold my hair tie. I'm gonna add a little bit of the hair cream oil, about a dime size amount. Rub it with my hands, and basically I'm just gonna take some pieces and basically comb through with my fingers. So really about a pony, it's all about the placement in the back. A high pony's cool, but it's not my favorite. I love just like a easy pony, almost like right in the middle, where it's almost like a horse's mane. I love it. And also with the hair cream oil, you can just kind of smooth out if you see a few bumps, but it's all about the bumps too. It doesn't have to be perfect. So Charlize has a lot of fine hair. So it's thick, so it will, she has a lot of it. Even though it's fine, it's pretty thick. And you can go right to the middle of the back of the head, a little bit higher than the ear. It's a hook band, so there's hooks on both sides. It's easier, I think it's pretty easy for you at home as well to use because you just hook it in one side, wrap it around, and then you can hook. And since I gave her the added extra texture, you have that beautiful horse's mane. I love it with the bang because it gives a little drama. And then if you want, you could take a few pieces out, just to make it a little bit more undone. Totally up to you. This is one of my favorite looks of all time. I don't really like using rubber bands because it causes breakage. So something that doesn't snag the hair, it's just fantastic. A vinyl band, it's great. If you want, at the end, you could take a little bit more hair cream oil and just work the ends. This just gives the ends a little bit more hydration and separation. So really you have that wavy, undone look. With this look, Charlize is ready to go anywhere, whether it's a night out on the town, Saturday brunch, a daytime party, a casting call, whatever she wants to do, I feel like this look is good for all.